Welcome to J&J's test video of, I walk back here. It's a 14 Sierra with a 5.3, 119,000 miles, 9621. It runs and moves, doing what all these trucks are doing now. Rotten. Does have a nice interior. 118, 918. Man, that's loud. Got a little screen. Everything seems to work.
Rock Station, Rock 106.9.
Heater control. Fan, buttons. Let's see what we got. She's running. No DOD has got to her yet. The rest of the truck's not too bad. Punch her in the nose. The bed's okay. The wheels aren't peeling just yet. Bumper's okay. Tailgate. Doors might be okay. That one seems alright. Let's see if it goes into gear. Fan's hitting now. Goes forwards. Goes backwards. Alright, and turning that off. Okay, well, for the dinging, that's about it. 9621, a 14 GMC Sierra with 119,000 miles. As always, thank you for watching. Have your pets spayed and neutered.